How to save Twitch streams on mobile. So first of all, make sure you have opened the Twitch account or sign up in your Twitch account. So open the Twitch application and make sure to sign in on your Twitch account.
Right? Don't you?
And once you open it, you have to click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. So once you reach on this profile page, select account settings. And once you proceed on the settings page, you have to select privacy notice. Note that depending upon your mobile device, you must have to select on different option here on the settings page. If you are using iOS, then please select help and legal option. For Android, select privacy notice and then tap on the three-line menu icon at the top right corner of the screen. And once you reach on this page, you have to scroll down and select browse. Once you done that, you will get access to this page or the desktop site of your Twitch account. And then you need to tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Make sure you log in on the desktop site of your Twitch account. And on this drop down menu box, you have to select settings. Once you get access to this settings page, select the channel and videos at the top of the screen. And then once you're on this channel page, you simply need to tap on the three-line menu icon at the top left corner of the screen. And you have to locate a stream, which we can see underneath the settings option. Select a stream. And you have to close this navigation bar by tapping on that again three-line icon. Scroll down and then make sure to toggle on the button of store past broadcast, so this will automatically save your Twitch streams on mobile for up to 7 days. So in this way we can successfully save Twitch streams on mobile. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it for more tutorial videos.